It's so hard. It's so hard to move on. You stayed the same.
Line up with these holes in here. I'm doing a little with the MX650. You all have seen how I put these seats on those MX650s. It's very similar, kind of like this in the front. In the back, I use the other brackets that kind of like go on the thing. But anyway, I put a bracket here, and drilled the holes to match those, and same here. And you adjust, and then that has its nut too, goes all the way through. Same thing here, all the way through. I mean, I haven't tightened it all the way down. I might get a flat, same thing, like a flat version for that too. Line it up here, or if I don't, I'll kind of cut a little divot into that plastic just to make room for it. Make sure you're fed in there, like that. And boom, what am I doing? Just lines right up. I'm gonna get a full bend seat. Yeah, man. And then you can see this is the 48-volt fast scooters version. It is. It got the handlebar risers, and it's gonna get a headlight. This scooter is a fast scooters 36-volt. It's got a headlight on it. It's got the Razor drift trike motor in it now. 36-volt from my drift trike. Running a T8F, and it's getting a new drum brake. Actually.